Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable full screen gestures on Vivo phones which is running on Funtouch OS. At the bottom you can see the controls. If you want to get rid of this control and enable full screen gestures, you need to open the settings. Open settings on your Vivo phone, and at the bottom, if you can see properly, there is an option called as system. Click on system. Under system, by default 3 button navigation is enabled, that is these are the buttons which are located at the bottom. If you want to enable full screen gestures, you need to simply click on system navigation and you need to select gesture navigation. Now the 3 button navigation is gone. Now we have enabled gesture navigations. If you want to know in detail about gesture navigation, you need to click on gesture navigation tutorial. Here you can see that if you want to go back to the home screen, simply swipe up like this, it will go to the home screen. If you want to view the apps which are running in the background, you need to swipe up from the bottom of the edge and hold. It will show you the apps in the background. If you want to go back, you can either swipe from the left or swipe from the right, it will go back. If you want to hide this bottom bar, you can simply enable this option. The bottom bar will be gone. Now to go back to the home screen, simply swipe up from the bottom like this, it will go back to the home screen. Here you can see that. If you want to view the apps which are running in the background, you need to swipe up and hold. It will show you the apps which are running in the background. And if you want to go back, you can either swipe from the right or from the left. Here you can see that it goes back. Here you can see that it goes back one more step. So that's it guys. In this way you can enable full screen gestures on Vivo phones which is running on Funtouch OS. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.